motherfucking nine, motherfucking nine, motherfucking nine, motherfucking nine.
Yeah. Broken streets, bent truth, city shadow breathe. I speak in calibrated lines, no one to see. Force of fact, weight of history, pressure on display. Every word I drop shatters falsehoods. Any way they parade myths like rulers, inflated by machine. Paper tigers roaring loud on the place screen. My cadence cut precise, sharper than a knife. Illusion disassemble under documented life. Egos climb, high shot postures, aviators in disguise. Crest falling when archives expose the lie. Records stand eternal, unassailable, exact. Repeating lies won't rewrite what history is stacked. Lift the veil, break the feed, let the truth ignite. Facts hit hard like steel, shadow lose the fight.
Reality moves in, systems stack or fall. Truth never glitches, it dominates all.
Lift the veil, break the feed, let the truth ignite. Facts hit hard like steel, shadow lose the fight.
Reality moves in, systems stack or fall. Truth never glitches, it dominates all.
Delusions dressed as law, intoxicated with pride. Step back, recalibrate. Detoxic, blinded guys sip no longer from cups tended to the sea. Reality deployed will make your engine seethe. I unravel every narrative, solo leave none intact. Your profanity, your humor won't hide the fact. Every doubling down, every claim in vain magnifies the weight of ignorance and pain. No,
no false supremacy claim. Humans flawed, but justice is free. Like can I bend to the whims of the crew?
the secret roads, integrity is the rule. Children are not shields, civilians are not tools. Laws do not bend to the tyrant's cruel rules. Proportionality matters, distinction remains. Human rights do not yield, conscience sustains. When power mocks the harm, strength shows the lie. Silent force moves while the guilty comply. Lift the veil, break the feed, let the truth ignite. Facts hit hard like steel, shadow lose the fight.
Reality moves in, systems stack or fall. Truth never glitch, it dominates all.
Lift the veil, break the feed, let the truth ignite. Facts hit hard like steel, shadow lose the fight.
Reality moves in, systems stack or fall. Truth never glitch, it dominates all.
Palestine, let's be on borders, not just lines on the map. Dignity endures, where empires collapse. Ethics over conquest, loyalty over fear. Clear conscience forged, rebel perseveres. History, all these outcomes, not the smug grin. Justice measured by rights restored, not sin. From manders to partitions, sieges to nights of stateless pain. The ledger records every injustice, every stain. Culture breathes, language speaks, future self-defined. Change loosens slowly when globalized align. Survival itself is proof, clarity in the test. Hope anchored in reason, resilience manifests. Data counts the display, sex mapped and denied. Water rations, checkpoints, freedoms quantified. Health and education, livelihoods under siege. Statistics not abstract, they prove what tyrants conceive. Peer-reviewed, reproducible, history in plain sight. The truth persists, unstoppable, piercing the night. Solidarity is precise, not reckless or blind. Principles intact, consistency aligned. Hung condemned universally, innocence preserved. Peace realized, where rights are observed. Law is rhythm, ethics allowed. Self-rule embrace, dignity embowed. From dust and rubble, clarity ascends. Narratives fractured, truth never bend. Keep laughing, keep mocking, fragile arrogance reigns. The punchline lands where humanity remains. Lives erased, I remember, risen beyond your sight. Palestine stands, sovereign, choosing its own right. No myths, no idols, no excuses survive. Only documented truth keeps hope alive.
808.